In today's video, I'm just going to show you how I come up with a price cluster decision, and we're looking at a 30-minute chart of MU. So one of the things I want to look at is actually the retracement of the most recent low to high swing. So we'll run that. We'll get rid of the levels that we went below because they're no longer valid. I'm also going to run the higher low to the highest high. Okay, and that also comes in below. All right, so we have a couple of 786 retracements. Now, what else I'd like to do is run a 100% projection of the first swing down. Okay, so this is comparing swings in the same direction. So taking this swing and projecting it from this high, that 100% projection comes in at 48.44, which is pretty dang close to that 786 retracement. What else? Well, we can also look at the extension of this prior swing. So this low to this high. Okay, well the 1272 is close, but the other area, or the 1618, actually comes in a little bit lower. So this is actually a price cluster. Okay, so this is the coincidence of at least 3 fib price relationships within a relatively tight range, and also it's a two-step pattern. So this is really the standout decision. Now it's still possible that maybe we resume the rally somewhere above this other extension, but this would be my trade setup. Okay, so if it tests this zone and it holds, then I go down to the lower time frame chart and I look for a buy trigger. If I see the trigger, I can take the trade and define risk right underneath here. If I don't see the trigger, you don't take the entry. Okay, but that is a price cluster setup. It is in MU, and we'll look and see if we test that within the next couple of days for a potential trade. Now, as far as the JPM that originally triggered, it's not acting well at all just yet. So just know that if it breaks underneath this last low, then, or underneath this zone, that's when you should be out, because obviously not all of the setups are going to work. So just know that if it still holds above here, yeah, there's a chance, but if it takes it out, I'm going to get out of the way.